We're going to make spring onion with cheese braided bread. So this is how we do it. Let's do it today. First, kailangan lang po nating mag-sift or salain po yung harina. Then, lagay na po natin yung sugar. Mix lang po natin. That's 1 egg po that we have to add. Ito po is warm water. Dinilute po natin yung yeast. Kailangan lang po natin maghintay for like 5 to 10 minutes until mag-bubbles na po siya. Ito po yung imimix natin sa dough. After that, kailangan na po natin siyang masahin. We have to add the butter po one by one. Medyo lalagkit po siya. By then, we have to add flour po habang nagmamasa para mas smooth po yung dough. We just have to keep kneading po for like 10 to 15 minutes until ma-reach na po natin yung smooth na dough. After that po, kapag medyo smooth na po yung dough, kailangan lang po natin siyang i-rest for 1 to 2 hours until mag-double po yung size niya. You have to cover the dough po with oil para hindi po siya mag-i-stick sa bowl. Habang pinapa-rest po natin yung dough, pwede na po tayong gumawa ng filling. Kailangan lang po natin ng grated cheese, spring onions, and butter. Kailangan lang po natin siyang paghalu-haluin until well combined. After 1.5 hours po, magdo-double na po yung size ng dough. Kailangan lang po nating i-fold at masahin ng konti para ma-release po yung bubbles. Then we have to cut it into portions. Then after that, ifa-flatten po natin siya lengthwise at ilalagay po natin yung filling natin. After po nun, pwede na po natin siyang i-shape. Kailangan lang po natin i-cut in the middle para po maganda siyang tingnan pag binake. After po nun, kailangan po natin siya ulit i-rest for another hour bago po natin siya i-bake. Pagkatapos po nun, kailangan lang po nyo mag-beat ng isang itlog at ipahid po sa ibabaw ng tinapay. Ito po ang magbibigay ng shiny brown color sa ibabaw ng tinapay.